The Adidas Alliance Sackpack is a lightweight, versatile drawstring gym bag designed primarily for women, but suitable for anyone needing a practical and durable carry solution. It features a classic design in black, making it a stylish and understated choice for sports, gym sessions, or casual outings. The bag measures approximately 0.39 by 7.09 by 5.41 inches and weighs just 7.4 ounces, which makes it exceptionally light and easy to carry. Despite its small size, it offers a total capacity of 12 liters, providing enough room for essentials like shoes, water bottles, clothes, and other gym or sports gear. One of the standout features of this sackpack is its convenience-oriented design. It includes a zippered exterior pocket that secures smaller items such as keys, wallets, or phones, keeping them organized and easily accessible. The main compartment is accessed through a cinch opening with durable cording straps, allowing quick and hassle-free access to belongings. The drawstrings are thick and concealed internally, which not only enhances the bag's clean aesthetic, but also contributes to its durability and comfort when worn. The bag is equipped with dual mesh bottle pockets on the sides, a thoughtful addition that supports hydration on the go. This feature is especially appreciated during workouts or team sports activities, where easy access to water is essential. The material used is thick and sturdy rather than thin nylon, which adds to the bag's overall durability and ability to withstand regular use without tearing or wearing out quickly. Users have praised the Adidas Alliance Sackpack for its spaciousness relative to its compact size. It comfortably fits basketball shoes, water bottles, and other gym essentials without feeling bulky or heavy. The adjustable straps contribute to a comfortable fit, allowing the bag to rest securely against the back without causing strain. The thick cords also prevent discomfort that can occur with thinner strings, which often dig into the shoulders during extended wear. The bag's durability is frequently highlighted in user feedback. Many report that the material holds up well over time, even with frequent use for sports, hiking, or everyday errands. The sturdy construction means it can handle heavier loads without losing shape or compromising comfort. Some users noted that the bag feels a bit stiff initially, which is a trade-off for the robust build quality. Over time, the material may soften slightly, improving flexibility. There are a few minor drawbacks noted by users. The cinch closure at the top does not fully close the bag, which could be a concern in rainy conditions as water might seep inside. Additionally, the thickness of the material around the drawstring means it can require some effort to pull tight, especially when the bag is full. Another common observation is that the length of the shoulder strings can become asymmetric during use, requiring occasional adjustment to maintain balance and comfort. Despite these minor issues, the Adidas Alliance Sackpack is widely regarded as an excellent value for its price point, often around $15. It combines functionality, durability, and style in a way that suits athletes, gym-goers, and casual users alike. The bag's design makes it suitable not only for sports, but also for hiking, beach trips, conferences, or as an extra storage option for shoes and clothes. The bag's external pockets are well-sized with one main zippered pocket and two deep mesh bottle holders, but some users wish for an additional small internal pocket for items like money, cards, or tissues. This would enhance organization and security for smaller valuables. Overall, the Adidas Alliance Sackpack is a sturdy, practical, and lightweight gym bag that meets the needs of active individuals looking for a reliable carry solution. Its combination of durable materials, comfortable straps, and thoughtful storage options make it a smart choice for anyone needing a compact yet spacious bag for sports or daily use. If you own this bag, consider leaving a review to help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description to support the channel and provide easy access for those interested in purchasing this versatile sackpack.